Hello students, again welcome to maths class. Today we are going to do next questions of our exercise 6.4 chapter 6 triangles. Here I am taking question number 5. D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of sides AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the area of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. टू ट्राइंगल्स के आपको एरिया का रेशो फाइंड करना है एंड द फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल इज ABC and you have to take midpoint of AB as D. Always remember, midpoint of the side of a triangle, divide the side into two equal parts and we have to join these points. Now our triangle DEF is formed and we have to find the ratio of the area of triangle DEF to the ratio of the area of triangle ABC. Students, remember directly the area of triangle DEF. If it is formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of triangle ABC, then its area will be 1/4 the area of the triangle ABC. You can be asked direct question on this property. तो डायरेक्टली आपको, बिकॉज आपका पेपर जो है वो MCQ बेस्ड होने जा रहा है, तो उस पर आपको ये डायरेक्ट मालूम होना चाहिए, बिकॉज वी विल नॉट बी आस्क्ड टू प्रूव दिस, सिंपली यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर, बट हेयर द क्वेश्चन इज सब्जेक्टिव एंड वी हैव टू राइट इट्स प्रूफ. सो व्हाट इज गिवन हेयर? In triangle ABC, DE and F are midpoints of sides of triangle ABC. To prove, we have to find a ratio of area of triangle DEF to एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC. ये रेशो हमें फाइंड करना है. देयर वॉज नो नीड टू राइट टू प्रूव, बट हमने लिख दिया है तो इट डजेंट मैटर. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर प्रूफ. हेयर पॉइंट्स D and F are midpoints of sides AB and AC of triangle ABC. So therefore, by midpoint theorem was already studied by you in class 9th. According to midpoint theorem, a line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and is half of it. तो उस प्रॉपर्टी के अकॉर्डिंग वी गेट DF पैरेलल टू BC and DF is equal to BC by 2. Similarly, about the sides DE. Now D and E are also the midpoint of side AB and BC. So we get DE parallel to AC and DE is equal to AC by 2. Similarly, EF is parallel to AB and EF is equal to AB by 2. And we see that, and this gives you DF by BC is equal to 1 by 2 and this gives you DE by AC is equal to 1 by 2 and this gives you EF by AB is equal to 1 by 2. Here you observe that all the sides of two triangles DEF and ABC are in same ratio. So therefore we can say by SSS similarity rule, triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. तो देयरफॉर एरिया प्रॉपर्टी से वी गेट एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल डी ई एफ बाय एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी सी इज इक्वल टू, वी कैन राइट द नेम ऑफ एनी ऑफ द साइड, डी ई बाय ए सी square, and it is equal to 1 by 2 square, and that is equal to 1 by 4. So therefore area of triangle DEF ratio area of triangle ABC is equal to 1:4, and ratio of their area is 1:4, मीनिंग ABC का एरिया जो है दैट इज़ 4 times द एरिया ऑफ DEF, और यू कैन से एरिया ऑफ DEF इज़ 1/4 of triangle ABC if DEF is formed by joining the midpoints of sides of triangle ABC. ये midpoint word is very important in this question. Question number 6. Prove that the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट रेशो ऑफ देयर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एल्टीट्यूड वर्ड भी हो सकता है एंड रेशो ऑफ देयर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल बाइसेक्टर वर्ड भी हो सकता है, एंड इसके लिए भी आपको डायरेक्ट ये प्रॉपर्टी को याद रखना है. एंड नाउ हेयर टू ट्रायंगल्स are similar. First triangle is ABC and second one triangle is DEF. These two triangles are similar and AD is the median of first triangle and DQ is the median of second triangle. It means BD and CD equal हैं and EQ and QF also equal because AD and DQ are the medians. So what is given? Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF and AP and P, because D is here, so we have to take AP as median. AP and DQ are medians, and we have to prove area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AP square by DQ square. अब हमें ये तो मालूम है व्हेन ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर देन द रेशो ऑफ एरिया इज इक्वल टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ द रेशो ऑफ देयर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग साइड, बट यहाँ पर स्क्वायर किसका हो गया? देयर कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग मीडियंस का. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस क्वेश्चन मे बी ऑन एल्टीट्यूड एंड एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स ऑल्सो. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू हेयर? प्रूफ. As we know, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square by DE square. We know that if two triangles are similar, then ratio of their area is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. ये हमें मालूम है कि ये होता है. इट मीन्स इस क्वेश्चन को प्रूव करने के लिए वी हैव टू प्रूव ए बी स्क्वेयर बाई डी ई स्क्वेयर को ए पी स्क्वेयर बाई डी क्यू स्क्वेयर के आपको इक्वल प्रूव करना है. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू हेयर, बिकॉज ट्रायंगल ए बी सी इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल डी ई एफ, सो वी कैन राइट द रेशो. इट मीन्स ए बी बाई डी ई इज इक्वल टू बी सी बाई ई एफ. And third one is AC by DF, so that is not required here, so I am not writing that. And BC को देखो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? डबल ऑफ BP. And similarly EF we can write it as double of EQ. तो we get BP by EQ. तो it means AB by DE and BP by EQ का रेशो जो है वो हमारे पास सेम आ रहा है. Also एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल E, because triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So therefore by SAS similarity rule, triangle ABP is similar to triangle DEQ. So what we get? We get AB by DE is equal to AP by DQ. So therefore area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AP square by DQ square. Hence proved. Question number 7. Prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to the half of the area of equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. It means in this question there is a square and there are two equilateral triangles. First one is drawn on the side of a square and second one is drawn on the diagonal of the square. So let us draw the figure. See here in figure of question number 7, ABCD is a square and triangle AB is equilateral triangle. It means its all sides are equal, or you can say AB, AE and BE are equal. Because triangle is equilateral, it means its each angle is of 60 degree. Similarly, triangle BDF is constructed on the diagonal of the square and it is also equilateral triangle. So therefore each angle of this triangle is also of 60 degree. And we have to prove that the area of triangle ABE is equal to half of the area of the triangle BDF. Here we can say let साइड ए बी को है जो हम x के इक्वल सपोज कर लेते हैं इज इक्वल टू x. तो देयरफॉर इन ट्रायंगल ए बी डी बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, because angle A is of 90 degree, we can write BD square is equal to AB square plus AD square, and BD square will be AB square is x square and AD is also x, because all the sides of a square are equal. Therefore we get BD square is equal to 2x square. Here triangle ABE is similar to triangle BDF है. Why? By A similarity rule. So therefore we can write the ratio of their area. Area of triangle ABE by area of triangle BDF is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. It means we can write it as equal to AB square by BD square, and value of AB square is x square and value of BD square is 2x square, and we get 1 by 2. So therefore area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle BDF by 2. Hence proved. Question number 8. Triangle ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is midpoint of BC. The triangles are equilateral, so it means their sides are equal, and D is midpoint of BC, so it means all the sides are equal. And so triangle BDE का area जो है due to midpoint that will be equal to 1/4 the area of triangle ABC. Now but we have to find the ratio of the area of ABC and BDE. So our correct answer will be 4:1, because ABC is the bigger triangle and BD is a part of it. Question number 9. Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio. Sides का ratio आपको given है 4:9 and the triangles are similar. So a ratio of their area will be, and we know that ratio of the area is ratio of square of ratio of their corresponding sides. मीनिंग जो साइड्स का रेशो गिवन है अगर हम उसका स्क्वेयर कर देंगे देन वी विल गेट द रेशो ऑफ द एरिया. सो 4 स्क्वेयर इज 16 एंड 9 स्क्वेयर इज 81. सो आवर करेक्ट आंसर इज 16:81, that is part D. So here completes your exercise 6.4. Thank you.